The kickoff meeting is the first step towards project success. It sets the tone for the entire project and ensures everyone is on the same page. Did you know that only 64% of projects meet their goals? A well-executed kickoff meeting can increase the chances of project success by 30%. To prepare for a kickoff meeting, you need to define your project scope, objectives, and stakeholders. You should also prepare an agenda and invite the relevant team members and stakeholders. The agenda for a kickoff meeting should cover the project's goals, scope, timeline, budget, and risks. It should also include introductions, team roles, and communication channels. To start a kickoff meeting, begin with introductions and a brief overview of the project. Then, review the agenda and discuss the project's goals and objectives. The project manager usually runs the kickoff meeting. However, team members and stakeholders may also contribute to the discussion. The average kickoff meeting lasts for 1 to 2 hours. However, the duration may vary depending on the project's complexity and the number of stakeholders involved. In Agile methodology, the kickoff meeting is also known as the sprint planning meeting or the iteration planning meeting. It is a crucial step towards achieving the project's objectives. A kickoff meeting checklist can help you stay organized and ensure you cover all the essential topics. It should include items such as project goals, scope, timeline, budget, and risks. Remember, a well-planned and executed kickoff meeting can set the tone for a successful project. So, take the time to prepare, invite the right people, and follow the agenda.